Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another ScrapDiva Designs project share, and if you've noticed, I think that the last few videos that I've made for ScrapDiva Designs have been embellishments, and I am bringing to you another set of embellishments. And the reason why I'm making these embellishments is because I actually have created a, I guess you can call it like an embellishment holder, or I don't know what it's called, and I'm going to try my best to look for the tutorial. All I have to do now is just, you know, dress it up a little bit and embellish it, and then I will be sharing that with you. But I thought it turned out really cute. I did follow a tutorial, but I can't find it because this was actually the very first thing I created for these embellishments. But anyways, let me go ahead and share with you the dies that I use. I think these are all the dies that I used to make these super easy embellishments, you guys. They are very similar to the rosette ones that I created. So the base that I used for these were from the Essentials bundle number 2. I used the oval. I used the 2 smallest ovals and the 2 smallest circles, and I ended up putting it on this magnetic sheet because I realized that this is a die set that I'm going to be using pretty often, because it is your basic shapes, but what I like is that it has all of this detail, and it really does show all of this detail when you cut it out, and it's really pretty. I love it. It's not just a simple oval or a simple circle or simple rectangle. And then just like the other embellishments that I created, I used a lot of the little accessories. Like I used these words, I used the small bathing suit from the sand bucket, I used the you know, the flip-flops, the stars. I made some words. This one I actually used it, I had already made these embellishments, so it was made using this one. And some of them have flowers created using this die set right here. So let me go ahead and show you my embellishments. So let's see, where should I start? Let's start with the ones with the flip-flop. So here is the first one, and look how cute that is. And this is the little detail that I was telling you about, that circle on the edge of that circle. Look at that. It is really pretty. I really love the way, you know, it just adds a little bit more than just something simple with the stitch. And that one says summertime, and as you can see, it's very simple, you guys, and that is what I like. And then here is an oval one, and this one says relax. Oh, I don't know if I share that one. I also have the, I think it's called beach phrases or something like that. But yeah. And then there's the flower, and then that's the, you can tell the detail, and then I added a starfish right there. And let's see, here's the one with that, with those banners. I love that die set. And this one says beach, and then I added a starfish at the end. Here is a circle. Oh, look at that, it's so pretty. And this one I did cut it out of foam, the little bathing suit. And then let's see, here is this one. I was gonna make a bow, but I wanted something smaller, and I do have one of Erica's bow sets that makes really small bows, but I had this one, so I'm like, I'll just use this one. It's already made for me. And I really love this flower die, you guys. I really love how they turn out. I think it's so pretty. And here is the last one right here. Look how cute that is. I love it. It's so pretty. And this paper collection is the same one that I've been using for the summer themed embellishments that I created previously. And there are my embellishments, you guys. So super simple, but I think they came out so cute. And as always, I will have Erica's links in the description box so you can check it out check out her store, you guys. She is constantly coming out with new designs, and everything she is designing is pretty impressive. It is amazing. I love everything that she has in store, and she has a lot, you guys. There is so much to choose from. I know for sure there is something for everyone. All right, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.